In this problem, they are asking us to calculate the fraction in yellow. That is 1/4 plus 3/5 minus 4 over 5 minus 3/8 plus 2/3 all over 1/2 over 3/4 plus 7/4. All this quantity added to 1. All this quantity multiplied by 1/3 and then added to 1. So first I have divided this into chunks. So let's calculate U, V, and then calculate A, then calculate L, and then calculate B, and then do 1 plus A over B times 1/3. Okay, so let's go ahead. U is equal to 1/4 plus 3/5 minus 4 is equal to 1/4 times 5 times 5 plus 3/5 times 4 times 4 minus 4 over 1 times 20 times 20. After calculating that, you know that it becomes 5 over 20 plus 12 over 20 minus 80 over 20. The answer is U is equal to negative 63 over 20. Let's leave it in that form for now. And let's go for V. For V, you can say that it is 5 over 1 minus 3/8 plus 2/3. And then we can say it is equal to 5 over 1 times 24 times 24, that is 8 times 3, minus 3 over 8 times 3 times 3, and plus 2 over 3 times 8 times 8. By the same process, we get it is equal to 127 over 24. Now we know that A is equal to U over V is equal to U is negative 63 over 20 divided by 127 over 24 is equal to negative 63 over 20 times 24 over 127. This will give us some value of negative 378. Negative 378 over 635. After simplification, of course, we simplify by 4 to get that. Okay. All right. Now we move on to calculate B. First, we calculate L. We can see that L is equal to 3/4 plus 7/9 piece of cake. It is 3 over 4 times 9 times 9 plus 7 over 9 times 4 times 4 is equal to 27 over 36 plus 28 over 36 is equal to 55 over 36. Now we can calculate B. We say B is equal to 1/2 over 55 over 36 is 36 is equal to 1/2 times 36 over 55. We can simplify. We get 18 here. We get 18 over 55. Now we have A over B. A over B is equal to negative 378 635, which is here, and divided by 18 over 55 is equal to negative 378 over 635 times 55 over 18. All right, so we can simplify that by investigation. We can see that we can simplify this one and 18 by 18. Here we find 21, here we find 1, and we can also simplify this 55 and 365. So we end up with 11 here, and some 127 here. So that will make it negative 21 times 11 over 127 is equal to negative 231 over 127. Okay, so that is A over B. Now we have to calculate A over B times 1/3. A over B times 1/3 is equal to negative 231 over 127 times 1/3. Okay, so we can simplify 231 divided by 3 is equal to 77, so negative 77 over 127. So we have now 1 plus AB, A over B times 1/3 is equal to 1 minus 77 over 127 is equal to 127 minus 77 over 127 is equal to 50 over 127.